we have a treat for today's video. We have two brand new limited edition knives. These are brand new, but they are not the year that we're in right now. These are older knives, but they are still brand new in box. Only been opened a few times. Let's go ahead and start with one of the boxes, and we'll open it up on camera. The knife we have here is a 2014 Russlock in red brick. There's a lot of interesting things on this knife I will point out. We'll start with the shield. You see, it's not the normal shields that you normally see on case knives. This shield is a bar inlay. It is mother of pearl. A really nice inlay there. Also notice the engraved bolster there. Limited XX edition 30. This is a 30-year anniversary limited edition knife. We also see the nickel pins and nickel silver liners there. And we'll turn it around, get a look at the pile side. And this jigging in these two knives are Aberdeen, is what they are called. They're a little bit of an unusual jigging. They don't do much in case, but they did on these. We'll open up the knife using the one-handed tang. Open there. We see on the blade the limited XX edition, 1 of 3,000. We'll take a look at the tang stamp here, and we see from this tang stamp that the knife was made from 2010 to 2019. And we'll fold it up here so that we can see we have 2 X's and a dot at the bottom, 3 X's at the top. So we have a 2014. We'll flip it around to the back there. We see the tang stamp 61953L. 6 indicates the handle material is bone. 1 indicates the number of blades. 953 is the Russlock pattern. The L there signifies that this is a locking knife. Hear that lock? You can see the lock there. You have to push it out of the way to close it. You can see the lock there is easy to get to unlock it and close it up. We'll open it back up and get a good look at it fully open. Really unique knife there. Alright, we'll close this one up and set it aside, and we'll get into the second knife for today's video. Second knife here, open it up. And these are in the same family, but they are not the same knife. This one will also be in that red brick bone with that Aberdeen jigging on it. This knife is a Canoe, and we see the same mother of pearl bar there. Really special inlay. See the limited edition 30-year there. Spin it around, get a good look at the pile side. And we'll open up the primary blade on this Canoe. You see this has the same tang stamp as the Russlock because they were made the same year. And we see the same limited XX edition 1 of 3,000 on the primary blade of the canoe. We'll open up the secondary blade here, and we see the number there, 62131 on the tang stamp. 6 again is the handle material is bone. 2 is the number of blades. This knife has 2 blades. 131 indicates that it is that canoe. Also kind of hard to see there, but there is a SS under that. Both of these knives have stainless steel blades. We'll open it up fully, get a good look there. Fully open. And we look at the pile side. We'll open the Russlock and set it next to it. Get a good look at both limited edition 1 of 3,000s. Really special knives there. There are 8 knives in this family. I only have the 2. But that is going to be it for the 2014 30-year limited edition 1 of 3,000 brick red bone and canoe and Russlock, both having that mother of pearl inlay.